Hi, this is Marc.farssac speaking. I'm an engineer for telecommunications, electronics and embedded software, and I'm going to show you a very quick summary of my last open source IoT project. From this project, many companies and startups launching new products with sensors placed in remote locations could leverage. And I'm going to give you much more details about what I'm doing and how in a following video. But basically, what we have here is this module. This module here has an integrated Linux-based processor, which is configured with the Legato Application framework that let us our application run directly inside the module. This module also implements low power wide area cellular technology with power savings mode, which allows for extended battery life cycle or battery life of up to 10 years, and also allows for extended coverage when compared to narrowband LTE. In this board here, we also have general purpose input, outputs, and sensors. And I'm going to simulate these sensors using these two varistors here. For example, this one will be to simulate that the temperature increases, and this one will be to simulate that the night falls. So we will simulate the two sensors that we have in the board, and we will see the readings, and we will see how these values are changing in these two multimeters that I have here. I'm going to push this data to the cloud. We will see how the readings of these two multimeters appear in a web-based dashboard, and then this data will be read in almost real time from this mobile application. So I'm going now to place this SIM in the module. I will plug in, and we will continue with this demo. Hi. We are back again. We can see how I have inserted the module, and the device is already plugged in. So I'm going to check very quick that the device is alive, and then what we will do is we will start. Yes, it is alive, and I'm going to open a shell. I'm going to open a secure shell in the module. I'm already logged in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check that our app is not installed yet. No, it is not. Our app is called Remote Analog Sensor Reading, and what I'm going to do is in my virtual machine, I'm going to build this app, which was very fast. I'm going to install it in the device, and now I'm going to check. Yes, it was. Yes, success. So now I'm going to check that the app has been installed, and I'm going to start it. So once I start the app, what is going to happen is that has started to push to the cloud the values read from these simulated sensors. So now if I change the values of these two sensors, the values are being displayed in these multimeters, and they will be also displayed in real time in this Android mobile application. So here we have a reading of 710 millivolts, and it's also 729. The difference is because the multimeter has no precision, and also it depends on the reading on the converted analog to digital value converted by the module. So another thing that I would like to show you is, of course, this is an Android application. It's not connected to Wi-Fi. So it's connected over, you see Wi-Fi is switched off. So it's connected in real time using the SIM of the telephone. What I'm going to show you now, it's a dashboard where we can see these values. This dashboard is a web application, and the values that we are pushing from our module, they are being displayed here in real time. We can see how this is true. So now this multimeter has a reading of 680. 688 is what is showing the telephone. We don't have the same reading here. I'm going to refresh this value, and yes, we have 690 and 683 and 690 in the mobile telephone. The same happens here. We have a reading of 711, and we have 730 in the 729 I'm going to change the value a little bit. This value is now being pushed, and it will be refreshed to whatever it is the value that should be 212. Last but not least, I would like to show you also, this is the log from the Google Cloud. I'm using the Google Cloud platform for as a backend of my Android client application, and we can see also here how, for example, we have a reading of 696 to 127, which is the values that we have in the mobile application. So, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Get in touch if we can work together. I will be very happy to work with you in your particular use case, building an Internet of Things application in reading sensors in remote locations during narrowband IoT or LTE 2, 3, 4G. Thank you very much. This is Marc.farssac. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.